Abby, I'm so tired of waiting for my partner to take this relationship to another level. I mean, we've been together for 3 years and nothing has really changed. This is when I typically ask, let's be clear on what changes you are looking for. For the purpose of this video, we will narrow it down to the expectation from simply being exclusive to living together or getting married, the white picket fence and all. So for the next 30 minutes, I find myself listening to all that their partners are not doing to make this happen. Their lack of interest, their attention, they're playing video games versus focusing on establishing life goals. No one is on their knees with proposals. No, I'll make coffee in the mornings. Rarely, if ever, do I hear, Abby, what do you suggest I bring to the table to stimulate change? Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today on Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel created exclusively for you to assist you while navigating your different relationship challenges. It's your channel. I invite you to familiarize yourself with our extensive library of videos created by Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Natalie, Coach Danny, and myself, touching on a variety of topics which I feel confident you will be able to relate to. Now, don't be hard on yourself if you see yourself in this situation. Basically, judging all that your partner is failing to do and not looking closer at what you are failing to bring to the table. This subject has a bit of a slippery slope element to it. It's open to, well, why should I be the one to bring changes? First, I need to make sure they too are on board. We fail to recognize that we are all wired to mirror behaviors. Think about it. How many times have you seen a friend all of a sudden looking amazing? Okay, they've been going to the gym for the last 3 months, when before you know it, you are running right beside them on that treadmill. Before wasting so much energy in trying to change them, become the change you want for yourself. Become the person that you would like to be with. You cannot control what your partner does or fails to do, yet you can control what you want to see unfold in your life through the changes you implement by increasing your value, by making an inventory of what you bring to the table. So for instance, create and place a 3-year plan in a visible place with lots of we's inserted. We will wean into a healthy lifestyle. Eating, exercise. We will examine where we are in our career paths every 6 months. More or less, just bring the we's in. I also suggest creating a focus wheel together. Make it a group project. Visualize what it is that you're looking for as a couple in the years to come. Take the initiative and bring to the relationship your different responsibilities, your commitment on your financial level. Be transparent with your commitment and obligations. The more you are transparent with what you are bringing, the more they will like to meet you. It is so easy to just blame each other and, point fingers. Yet what we do when we do this is we are literally disempowering ourselves and we transcend to clinginess and neediness. There is absolutely nothing more seductive than about being empowered. Start the process by becoming the change you are looking to see in your relationship. Let me help you create a game plan on how to stimulate their interest by seeing you implement effective changes. Remind yourself that clinginess and neediness is just so unseductive. It really it's one of the biggest reasons that relationships start to fizzle away. I invite you to book a session with me so that we can together build up your relationship portfolio with the assets that you are bringing to the table. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave your comments and suggestions in the section provided regarding this or any other videos you may have seen. I will look to answer each and every one of your concerns in a very timely fashion. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.